Everyone, welcome back to Fosba's Designs. My name is Susanna. I'm the designer and I'm sharing the stitch sampler blanket with you in this video tutorials. Hi everyone, we're in the fourth section of the blanket, the stitch sampler blanket, and this week we'll be making the short part, which is 4 inches long. And if you've been following along, this is what we had week 1. We did this section with more stitch week 2, and then we did the Jacob ladder section last week, which is week 3. Today I'll be sharing with you what week 4 looks like. We'll be using the cross double crochet, and it's basically crocheting the double crochets but making it look like an X. So it gives it a bit of texture and it loses the big O's that you get if you do just the double crochets, the regular double crochet. And I hope you love this section. Are you following the color schemes? Are you going starch busting? Are you using multiple colors, different colors for each section? So I really want to see what you're doing. For my prototype, I'm also sticking with 2 colors. So I've been using 2 shades for my prototype, showing you how to crochet the little sample. So we finished on the right side, and by the right side I showed you last week how to know where your right side is. The part with your loops, the braided part where we did on week 3, should be on the same side as your beautiful braids from the section 1. So you want to make sure this part is throughout the pattern referred to as the right side. So I want to use my color B for section 4. So I'll be using just a single color as I've done in my section 1 and 3. So you're welcome to use your colors. Make sure it's the same yarn weight. To start, you fasten off your To start, we fasten off our color B and we join our A. So I usually like to join the new color at the end of the row, and since we had double crochet, work the last double crochet halfway and then complete it with my new color. Perfect. I'll make a knot. And then I can crochet over it if I want, or I'll crochet over it when I'm doing my edgings. So row 1 of section 4 starts now. Oh, that was not focusing, sorry. I want to turn and have a wrong side facing. I've done chain 1. If not, you do that, and we'll work single crochet in each of the stitch. So we have 169 in the main blanket. You want to make sure that you have single crochet in each of the stitch and that you've got 169 single crochet at the end of row 1. So I'm at the end of the row. Perfect. So wrong side, row 1, single crochet in each of the stitches. Then we'll make a turn to have the right side facing us. Perfect. So for our row 2, we're starting with a chain of 2, and the third one, 3 double crochets. Scrap that. 3 chains, and that counts as our first stitch. And then we want to start the cross double crochet. So because it's counting as our first stitch, we skip that stitch, and then that is counted as our first. This is the next stitch, and this will be the second. We'll count that way: first, second. So this is our first stitch that has got a double crochet. You want to go ahead now and do a cross double crochet, and then we'll skip this next stitch, working a double crochet in the next stitch. Make sure that you go through the 2 loops, double crochet in that, and then you work a double crochet in the first skip stitch. We'll go again. This stitch has the double crochet in it, so we'll skip the next stitch and we'll work a double crochet in the next stitch. Can you see that? That's a double crochet. The skipped stitch, you work a double crochet in there, and that's what we'll repeat. So don't get confused, this is not the stitch we're skipping because we have a stitch in it already. So we're skipping this and we'll work a double crochet in this other stitch. Then we'll work a double crochet in the skip stitch. So it's kind of making a face stitch, it looks, but we're not making a chain. It's just solidifying the double crochet, if that's a way to look at it. So skip this, work a double crochet in the next stitch, and then you go ahead to work another double crochet in the skip stitch. So in a way it looks like a V. So I just keep doing it, keep repeating this step till you get to the end of the row. So because we've got 169 stitches, it might take a while, but we'll definitely get there. This is what we've got. And then you work a double crochet in the last stitch. Perfect. This is what we have at the end of this row. So this part doesn't really have a right or wrong side. We turn at the end of our row after we've made a double crochet in the last stitch, and basically we'll continue to repeat what we've done in row 2. So you chain 3. If you're not comfortable with having a chain 3 at the beginning of your stitch, you are totally welcome to do your form of first double crochet. One that counts as our first double crochet. So this is the last double crochet and this is the first double crochet. That's a stitch throughout this section. You skip the next stitch and you work in a double crochet in your next stitch. So this is how it is usually done, how most people will usually work it. Let me do that again. I'm inserting my hook into this slot. Can you see it? Yeah, but this is the way I worked this particular section for the blanket. Instead of going through the stitch, I went into the gap. It was kind of fun. Instead of going in that, I went into the space between the stitches. You are welcome to go through the stitch or through the loops. Not to confuse you, this is how we usually work our stitches, this way, but I just love doing it in between this space. Okay, can you see that? In between the space. You may ask if it makes any difference. I think you can give it a try, do the two methods, and you see which one you love the most. Do you like the part where you work just under the loops or into the space? Let me know what you think. So this is the part that will repeat until you have 4 inches. We'll continue to repeat this row throughout the pattern until your piece in section 4 measures 4 inches. We're almost there. And the number of stitches will all remain the same. So we'll make a double crochet in the last chain, the third chain from our beginning chain 3. So this is what it looks like. Then we'll continue on at the end of the row, the starting chain 3, and then we'll skip. This is first stitch, second stitch. So you can either go in through this loop or just under the loop. And we're working double crochets. So I'll pause the video and I'll continue the repeats until I have 4 inches. Then I'll be back to show you how many rows I've worked. Continuing with the repeats, I've added a good number of repeats and I'm on row 9. This means that I've done 8 rows of crossed double crochets. See what it looks like? And then double crochet in the last stitch, which is the third chain from the beginning. So we'll measure it now and see how long we've got. So I'll just give it a bit of stretch. Okay, let me make it clearer. So that's almost 4 inches with 9 rows. If I had another row, it will make me go over 4 inches. So say it's a good width now, and then add the last row, which is a single crochet. So we chain 1 and we turn. This means we're ending this part on the right side. Remember how we get to know the right side? We've got the braids on this right side. So chain 1 and work single crochet in each of the stitches across. So because this is a blanket, you don't really need to be exact in terms of how long you've made each section. But if you want yours to look exactly like the prototype, we stick to the nearest 8 inches for the longer section and 4 inches for the shorter sections. So we've got 10 rows for our section 4. Thank you for everyone that has been posting their beautiful fashion in the group. You want to know where the group is? Check the description and you'll see what other people are making. You're welcome to ask questions. You're welcome to show off your beautiful colors and your progress thus far. This is the crossed double crochet stitches for section 4 of the stitch sampler blanket, and I would like to see what you come up with. Thank you for joining this week. Bye.